So hi everyone, like what this question is saying that a student traces the path of a ray of light that is passing through a rectangular glass slab for the different values of angle of incidence. He observed that all possible precaution at the end of the experiment on analyzing the measurement, which of the following conclusion is likely to draw. So there are four options like you can easily read. So out of these four options, which is correct, let us understand first what is the what is refraction through glass slab. For example, this is a glass slab. Okay. Now, if a light ray is going to incident like this, it is angle of incidence. Clear? Then it is going to bend towards normal like this. So rather than going straight, it is going to bend. After that, it is going to emerge like this. Angle of emergence. This angle of emergence. This angle of incidence. So if the surfaces are parallel, for example, in this rectangular slab, this face and this face is parallel to each other, then in that case angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, and obviously this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, why? Because this is transversal, this is parallel to this, both are normal. Okay, and this angle of refraction, this angle of refraction, so obviously this r is less than I, so angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. So this is correct, and you can check this is parallel. Angle of emergence is parallel to, not angle of emergent ray is parallel to incident ray. Okay, this is our incident ray. Clear? So this case is true only when this surface, can you check this surface and this surface is parallel to each other. Okay, it is not true in every case. For example, in case of prism, are these parallel? Tell me, are two faces are parallel? Is this parallel to this? Is this parallel to this? No. But here this is parallel to this. This face is parallel to this face. Face 1 is parallel to face 2. But in case of prism, if you do like that, it is not correct. It is angle of incidence. Okay, there is some refraction. Then you can see this is angle of emergency. This is angle of incidence. Understood? There is angle of deviation. In case of this, it is not correct because faces are not parallel to each other. Understood? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence only when the faces are parallel to each other. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.